Right, we are in match 6. Remember, the Raptors are leading 3-2, so the All-Stars have to win this match. And if they win, it goes to the game breaker. Right, Aparna and Sayam against Sameer and Veda. Sameer, among the best players in the league, immediately showing us why. Immaculate control. Service now with Veda. Trying to get a little cheeky over there, Sam. His serve now, we are at 0-0-2. Sameer charges ahead. Should have probably left that for Veda. The Raptors will feel less pressure in this match compared to the All-Stars, who have to win this. Service has changed 2 times already, no point yet. Unfortunate. That was unfortunate. Great return by Aparna to Veda's smash. Sameer still smiling. Beautiful. You'll have to wait for what the referee says. The referee calls it in, and with that, the first point of the match with the Raptors. Sudden aggression from Aparna. Didn't bode very well for her team though. 0-2. Veda has to get some points early in the game. You don't want to leave too much for the end. Beautiful return by Sameer. Finds the gap. Pierces it. Oof. What a point. Couldn't blame either of them, to be honest. Slight error. Getting the Raptors the point. Sameer to serve. Sameer continues to make the same error. He's charging ahead. He should be trusting Veda with those shots. Unfortunate. Last minute spin added to the ball there by Aparna. That's the
Good call. Good call.
That's the second time that has happened with Aparna. She's trying to place the ball behind Veda at the baseline. Hasn't been successful so far. It's a good strategy. Hasn't been able to pull it off though. Smash, no reply. You shouldn't be lobbing it up to Sameer, as the Raptors will probably realize now. Also,
Can the All Stars take advantage of this? They can initially. It's 3-3 with the Raptors serving.
you can see Aparna has been trying something all through this match, which is to try to give the ball a spin at the last second. Just the very last second. Unfortunately, the 3 times she has tried it, she's lost the point or the serve. Smash there.
Apologies, it was the All Stars serving, and they've made a meal, like they've made a full meal out of it, not a meal out of it. They're leading 5-3 right now.
Even though I'm rooting for the Raptors, I hope the All Stars win this so that we go into the game breaker. It's Halloween tonight. Haven't seen many people come in costumes though. The only costumes I see are the team jerseys. I think
Couple people out there, but
somebody came. I don't know if that is a
yeah,
pirate cap or is that
it is a
a
pirate cap.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali movie?
No, it is a pirate cap. There was a mask to go with it also,
Okay.
but it's been taken off right now.
Okay.
I don't know about the people, but it's been a spooky night for a couple of the teams so far. Who will finish it with a scare?
Reserve, which is interestingly the name of this location also. Samir! You need to trust your partner, Samir. Alright, Samir to serve. Can he make up for that flaw? Scrambles! Tries to place it near the net. Unfortunately, it doesn't come to.
The Raptors strike back. Can they now bridge this gap, this 3-point gap?
Good serve, good reply by Veda. Beautiful placement. Backhanded. Beautiful placement by Samir.
Yep, no reply to that.
Aparna to Samir.
Caught in two minds there as the ball pitched close enough to her legs.
And you can see what Aparna was trying so far has finally come off. 4-6. Aparna to Veda. Lobbed up in the air. You don't want to do too much there with Samir standing.
Oh!
What a shot from
What a
Samir.
finish to the point. Playing Nintendo Wii tennis over here.
5-6. The Raptors storming back into this match. Aparna. Long
That
shot.
goes long as the serve switches. Carried away, I think, over there.
Right, Veda. This is her time. Rack up the points. Get your team till the game breaker. Samir is waiting patiently for a shot. Unfortunately, the Raptors get that one. Still got a 1-point lead and his service. Beautiful.
You cannot give up lollipops like that. I'm sorry, but he was just begging to be hit and he did.
7-5, 2-point lead. One. Oh,
Questionable leave there. Though in his defense, it probably looked like with this trajectory it was going out, but
as we reach 8 points, as is the norm over here, we switch sides. But I would like to just bring the viewers' attention to how Samir holds the bat. It's different from how other people hold it. He holds it at the bottom part of the handle, which gives him the ability to whip his wrist. That's how he gets in so much power in his shots. Just look at it. He holds the bat low. Actually, you can see the same with Veda as well.
Yeah, as in tennis, like the hammer grip, basically.
Yes, the hammer grip. Beautiful placement, well returned. What a
What a point that was! What a point that was! To dig that out from absolutely nowhere, get it across the line, and then to finish it off by scoring the point. Tarun Bhaskar's happy.
some spin on that serve. Unfortunately, couldn't get it past the net, which means Aparna, who's won her team the last 2-3 points, it's her serve now.
That's in.
Aparna, her strategy that we were complaining about in the first half of this
Yeah.
match, she stuck to her guns.
She hit it deep and it landed true.
6-8, Aparna. That's out, unfortunately. She went too deep over there. Which means the All-Stars have the service back. Remember, the All-Stars have to win this match. And if they win this match, it goes to the game breaker. However, if the Raptors win, they win this fixture.
The All Stars working hard over there to extend their lead. A 3-point advantage as it stands.
Nice. Beautiful, beautiful aggression.
Well played by Siam.
Siam is trying to neutralize the Samir advantage over there. So you see, every time he has to face Samir, he's smashing it with all his power, trying to negate Samir's quick reflexes. The All-Stars choosing to stay back of the court.
And the Raptors strike back. A brilliant intervention there by Siam. He took a chance. It was outside his arc. He stuck his hand out and he got the point.
Also, I like the strategy that the Raptors are using. Siam is using all the power, whereas Aparna is using spin, lobbing the ball up. It's almost a
And an unforced error there is the momentum shifting in this match.
lot of rare unforced errors from Samir in this match.
Even rarer that the commentator's curse didn't strike right now. It's 9-9.
Commentator's blessing for a change.
I'll take full credit for that.
Ayman Achar should be man 20,000. Kunda, how much do you have?
Audible. Did you speak to Snake? Messages. Anni reply? Yeah.
Right. To the sound of cheers and applause from the fans, we're back in the match.
It's 9-9 and it's anybody's game to win right here. Crowd really into it. What will we see from here?
Aparna.
That goes long. A little overexcited there perhaps.
Aparna immediately apologizes to her partner. 9-all. Siam, it's time for him to contribute in this partnership. It has mostly been Aparna so far who's been gathering the points. Beautiful placement. Siam trying to place it next to Samir, but Samir uses his hand.
He saw Siam overcome it a little bit and capitalized straight onto it, pounced right onto it. Well played there, forcing the error, upping the tempo. And Siam again, his fast hands are doing the magic over here.
If the Raptors win this will be an upset of sorts. Because on paper, the All-Stars have a stronger team. But on the court, it's a different story altogether. Both.
Patient thinking, and finally the commentator's curse strikes.
Second serve.
They'll be disappointed with that. An unforced error, encouraged by the crowd to forget it and move on.
All-Stars Veda has to get them points now. Just on the line. The placement being spot on.
What a recovery. That was just on the line, like you said, with the reflexes to hit the shot back after that.
Good serve. Thinks.
The Raptors seem unable to continue this dinking. Do you think that's probably going to be the strategy for the All-Stars right now? Keep dinking it and count on them losing their concentration.
It could be because we haven't seen any expansive shots from Samir so far.
And as we said, another unforced error. Another case of being patient until, as Sun Tzu said, never interrupt your enemy making a mistake.
Good serve. Beautiful return. Samir saw his opponent running about, smashed it right into his chest.
He knew exactly what he was doing there.
Samir needs to get his team a lead. He's the captain, remember, and he has to win this.
In all this action, the score has stayed 9-9.
The points table hasn't moved for a while now. What a point!
What a point. The crowd involved in every single shot there.
For a minute,
Everybody waiting with bated breath to see who makes a winning shot.
for a minute, it looked like a badminton match, to be honest. The ball not once touching the ground for most of that rally. Veda. Siam gathers it. Siam stretches out.
Some uncertainty with the ball hitting the net there. But the Raptors recovered and the All-Stars scored.
Beautiful, beautiful return.
Decisive winner. And the score stays at 9-9. Who are we going to see the next point from, honestly?
I would hope it's the All-Stars, just so that we can go into a game breaker.
I thought you were supporting the Raptors.
I was, but now that I want a game breaker, beautiful.
Great shot over there. Forcing the Raptors into a backhand that wasn't controlled.
Lobbed up in the air. Spin. We're seeing all the tricks in the book. Oh, what a reply! What a shot! What a shot!
These last couple of points, the All-Stars have been great at finishing off the point. When given the opportunity, they've just grabbed it with both hands.
The score, unfortunately, remains at 9
Has
all.
not moved.
Samir from the back of the net smashes one in.
At the rate it's moving, we're going to be here all night.
Nice shot. Hey.
Hang on, guys.